कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें, क्या मतलब? Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeru Arora with yet another episode of a common problem, snoring. Snoring is common in adults. As many as 65% of people snore sometime and 25% people snore almost all the time. Men tend to snore more than the women. Snoring is that harsh or hoarse sound that comes from mouth or nose while sleeping. This usually happens when air cannot flow easily through the oral or nasal passages. Some people breathe heavily when they sleep, others make a soft whistling sound, and still others snore loudly. The volume of snores vary depending on how restricted the airflow is in the mouth or nose. Though snoring can cause complications like elevated blood pressure, decreased concentration, drowsiness, low energy levels, it does not necessarily mean that you have a medical condition. Known causes of snoring are swelling of tonsils and adenoids, nasal polyps, antihistamine or sleeping pills use, congestion from allergies or cold, irregularly shaped bones in the face, alcohol consumption, and obesity. In some, it is a cause of concern. It can be a symptom of sleep apnea. Sleep apnea occurs when your breathing slows down significantly or you stop breathing for more than 10 seconds at a time while sleeping. Sleep apnea occurs when your airflow is decreased to less than 90% of normal. It can be treated with medicines like lachesis, muriatic acid, laurocerasus, kali carb, arsenic alb, etc. Treatment of snoring is decided by the cause of snoring. Nasal causes can be treated by calcarea carb, beritacarb, sinapis, pulsatilla. Bony spur or irregular shaped bones in the mouth can be treated with Hecla lava, calcarea carb, cifelinum. The most common cause, allergy, has a wide range of medicine and can be successfully treated with medicines like arsenic alb, ammonium carb, ammonium ars, nux vomica, lachesis, sinapis, beritacarb, etc. Alternatively, we can use dental mouthpieces or palatal implants. Dental mouthpieces position your tongue and soft palate and keep the airway open, while palatal implants are polyester shreds which are injected into the palate to soften and reduce snoring. CPAP machine is also used, which reduces and clears the airway. Snoring is also found in children. Usually it is due to the obstructive sleep apnea. Causes can be inflamed or enlarged adenoids, nasal polyps, and obesity. Enlarged adenoids can affect your child's intellectual centers and growth. 3 to 6 months of homeopathic medication can cure the problem. Medicines like Agrafis nutans, Hepasulf, calcarea carb, sinapis, etc. can treat the polyps as well as the enlarged adenoids and tonsils. Snoring can also be prevented by sleeping on your side changing the side, taking care of the nasal congestion, elevating the head by using a thick pillow, and taking care of the nasal hygiene. That is all in this episode. See you soon in my next podcast. Till then, take care.